Dear students, I am with a very short poem, Dust of Snow today. Dust of snow gives an indication of nature, how nature brings a good impact on us. It affects us. Nature has a great significance on our life. The poet says, always a larger significance. A little thing touches a larger thing. A little incidence gives shape of larger incidence. How a dust means a small particle on our body gives a change in mood and it changes our day and our life too. It has been indicated in this poem. Only contains 2 stanzas, each stanza of 4 lines. First I recite and then I explain it, how it is. Dust of snow. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. If you recite it, you come to know its rhyme scheme is A B A B C D C D. I repeat, A B A B C D C D. The way a crow shook on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. The poet is very sad. He is going somewhere. He is in the way. And it happens that a crow makes sort of movement on a tree. And tree is hemlock. 2 things are there. Not only 2, but 3 things: crow, snow, and hemlock tree. Crow is a bird. Always the sound of crow awakens us. And we are startled with the sound of crow. Usually its sound is not pleasant. And it is not known to be a pious bird. And hemlock is a poisonous tree. The poet has used crow, not other bird, and hemlock. And he is not in a good mood. That has been indicated in the 2nd stanza. Of a day I had rued. With that line, we come to know that he is sad, he is going somewhere. But what happens? The poet thinks of the dust that falls on his body. It changes his mood. That is why he says, the way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Dust of snow falls on him from a tree, that is hemlock tree, a poisonous tree. He is sad, but with the fall of dust on his body, he thought about it. He is thinking somewhere else. Mentally he was somewhere else. But with the dust, his mind comes on the tree that it is poisonous one. And he has to make his way. He has to make a movement. Life is full of nectar and also poison. Both the things are there. Everything is a part of nature. We have to make our life nectar and samrit. pious, beautiful. We have to make our life beautiful, meaningful, and we have to make it. Everything has its own place in nature. The poet had a change in his nature with the snow. The poet says, has given my heart. What given his heart? The dust of snow that fell from hemlock tree on him gave him a change of mood. A change of mood is there in him with the snow, with the dust. And he says, and saved some part of a day I had viewed. Saved means he began to think about the nature, our nature. How it is that even a poisonous tree, even a crow can awaken him. No, you are wasting your time. Don't wait anywhere. Waiting is poisonous. If you are wasting your time, it is poisonous one. It is bad one. Hemlock tree is an indication that the poet is waiting or wasting time. It is poisonous one. And even that poisonous tree is a part of nature. As the part of nature, nature awakens him. A dust of snow awakens him that you have to make your life meaningful. You have to use your time. This life is not meaningless. The span of life means period of life that we have got is not useless. It is to be used. We have to cultivate our time with some meaningful work. That is why the poet says, and saved some part of a day I had viewed. He had viewed. It means he was in regret. He has wasted it. So, this poem, a very short poem, gives a very beautiful meaning of using our time, that nature helps us to know our life. And even snow, a dust of snow can awaken us. Then why not other things? So a little things have a larger significance on us, and it gives us a great message of life. Thank you very much. Later we are to read another one. Don't forget to say how, whether you like it, whether you understood it or not. Just indicate it in a message box, in a comment box, how it is, whether you are able to understand it or not. Thank you very much.